Who are you to judge? Everyone has their own different path in life. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can know when I do my next one. So today's video is all about judgment and making sure that we don't judge other people along the way of becoming the best version of yourself. No matter what, you should never really judge people in life because you don't know what they're going through. As cliche as it sounds, you shouldn't really judge a book by its cover because you don't know what that person is going through. You don't know the layers that they have. You don't know what they're restricting, and you might not even know how they truly feel. Make sure that you're not judging people along the way towards your journey. Sometimes you may have had that courage to finally say, okay, I'm going to quit my job, I'm going to pursue my dreams, I'm going to start my own business, I'm going to start my journey towards being financially free, or I'm going to change my career and go into what I've always dreamed of doing. That doesn't give you the right to automatically instantly judge people that are still in those situations, because you were once in those situations. Just because you managed to get a different avenue doesn't mean those people are any less of you. Equally, when you eventually get what you want, when you get to the level that you've always attained, it doesn't necessarily mean that people that aren't as successful as you, people that aren't as in great relationships, or people that aren't in the best shape are any less than you. You're just like them. Everyone's story is different, and that's the thing. You shouldn't really judge. Judging goes both ways. You can't just look at someone and assume that their life is great. You don't know what they've had to do to even get there. You don't know what they've sacrificed. You don't know what they've given up. So make sure you don't judge people. Get all the facts along the way. And the worst thing that you can do is to have a bad judge of character. I feel like that's the one true thing that gets in the way of becoming the best version of yourself. That gets in the way of you fulfilling your dreams. That gets in the way of you becoming the woman that you've always wanted to be. Especially us as women. If you have a bad judge of character, that will constantly have a huge impact on you. So you have to learn how to read people, not judge people. There's a key difference between judging people and reading people. Getting to learn and study someone is absolutely different to forming an opinion of someone because you don't have all the facts. So if you're a woman and you have a bad sense of judgment of character, that's how you end up being used, being taken for granted, being objectified, because people don't care about you. You might be one of those people that sees the good in everybody. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that, but you need to also leave room for disappointment. You need to know that people aren't perfect. They will disappoint you at some point. Developing a good judge of character is very different to you judging. So make sure you don't judge people along the way. While you're on this journey to becoming the best version of yourself, to really stepping out of your comfort zone, to really develop yourself and become a better you have to make sure that you're respecting every single person. You're not judging them, you respect them. From a person that you aspire to be, all the way down to people that you see every day, all the way down to the cleaners, all the way down to the kids, whoever. You have to treat people with respect, the same respect that you expect them to treat you with. And that's the only way I feel like you will truly have integrity. And no matter what you do, integrity will always be at your core. Judging people rather than judging people. And also, someone might be chasing a different dream to yours. That doesn't make their goal, their passions, their vision any less important than yours. Just because it doesn't fit your status quo doesn't mean that other people shouldn't pursue it. So it's important to make sure that we're respecting every single person that you come across, making sure that you're not judging, making sure that you're not instantly, because sometimes it may be that you've become so used to it, you do it without noticing. So pay attention to how your thoughts when you meet new people, your thoughts when someone tells you something that you don't particularly agree with. Are you there to listen, or are you instantly there to judge? Just remember to make sure that you don't judge people along the way. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.